So it's day 4. It's our last day here. And we're going to Bohol via ferry. Kasi after that, we're gonna go back to Cebu kasi we're gonna exit from Cebu. This is a 2-hour ferry ride. So ayun lang. We already ate breakfast kasi when we reach there, magtutour agad tayo. So, let's go! Pasko, Pasko, Pasko naman muli, aming araw natin pinagmamit. Pasko, Pasko, Pasko naman muli, ang pag-ibig naghahari.
My helmet is red, my slippers is red, my shirt is red, and then my coat is pink because it's close to red.
Hi guys! So, we're here at the ATV place here in Bohol. So, if you want singles, it's 1,300. And if you want a passenger, like dalawa kayo, it's like 2,000 something?
2,600.
2,600. So, ayun. Ayan na guys! It's there!
I want the red one.
Let's go! Kaya ko ba to? Tignan, hindi nga marunong mag-drive. Maputik na siya guys. Pero don't worry, there's free use of slippers. So that's okay. Ganda oh.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah.
Maghawak dito. Kaya pa?
Kaya naman.
Aray ko! Nadudulas po ako.
Pwede iwan na lang siya.
Oo, dun.
Let's go! Another 4, another 5, 6, 7, 8,
100. May 100 pa pa. Nangyari sa'yo. We're still at 100 steps.
Bye!
Oh no!
Hi guys! Sorry, kind of hot right now. So, make sure to bring your mga panyo, mga umbrella, water, fan if you have those. Because it's kind of hot. Then after this, we're gonna have lunch. Go, go, go.
Parang meron dyan, no? Meron Tarsier.
Yeah. So we're here at the man-made forest. We're just taking pictures. Our tour guide is taking pictures of us. So next is floating, right? Yung floating natin. Si Jojo na lang may walang shirt. We'll do that next stop. Each stopper before buying a shirt. I got my t-shirt, sandal, Jojo next. Diba, baby?
Welcome to Bohol, the land of chocolate fields.
Hi guys! So we're done. May takeout pa kami. We're done with the floating Loboc restaurant and wala, it's really a good experience. So it could be pricey, pero for me, I think sulit siya kasi for the experience, the food is good, and we got to see a tribe just to experience and take pictures then. So I would recommend it. Let's go. Cute! So we got this remembrance. It's 150 per pictures, and you could make it magnet or ordinary pictures. And it's still the same price, 150. We got this. Is this a turkey?
Ay, my goodness. Sabi ko pa, wag po yung utak.
Omo!
Bruh.
Pwede naman kayo lahat sa bago.
Kabili na sila dyan.
Wala yung kuha.